Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So lots of stuff's happening lately, so let's go to the breaking news. So first thing first is, as you might already notice, the channel has changed name. So it used to be called Ben Ryobi. I'm Ben, and I'm talking about Ryobi Tool most of the time. But I'm starting to touch a little bit of other brands. So I renamed the channel, so it's now called Tool Specs. All right, let's move on to what's happening in the world of Ryobi right now. So today we're in mid-September, so September 19 as of today. Ryobi Canada has released the 8 amp hour battery. It's now available at the Home Depot online. You can purchase it. It's about $250, so 248 or something like that. So it's quite expensive, but it's here, it's coming. Well, it's already here. You can buy it as of today. I talked to Ryobi Canada. They told me that the 12 amp hour is coming soon. There's no official release date. The other thing that is coming is we've been having online right now. It's been like almost a month. The 150 watt inverter, the battery power source, the one that you can actually plug into the wall and it'll charge your battery, or you can use it as an inverter too to plug in your TV or whatever you want. So this has been on the website for Home Depot Canada for a little bit now, but it's not available anywhere. And Ryobi told me by the end of September 2023 that we should be able to purchase it now. So I'm super interested about this, because here's the other news right now. The solar panel are also coming to Canada. So I'm not sure if we're going to have all three. Ryobi not too long ago in US released the 14 watt, 21 watt, and 60 watt solar panels. So Ryobi Canada told me that the solar panels are coming. Now they said solar, so there's more than one there. I don't know if it's all three or two, but I know there's more than one. So this is coming shortly. Apparently we should see them before the end of 2023. So finger crossed. Hopefully I can put my hand on that 150 watt power source and some of the solar panel and do some tests for you guys. Super excited about this. So I know those are all Canadian news right now. There's tons of stuff happening with Ryobi tools in the States. Hopefully we're going to see most of those coming this way. Unfortunately, I do not have confirmation of those right now. If you would like, I could make a video and talk about everything that's going on and all the new tools that are starting to come out in the States. We can touch base about that, but until I have confirmation by Ryobi Canada, I will not announce them. I need to have some kind of like notice of when about they're thinking about releasing them, if they're coming or not. So until then, keep making videos like this. Yeah, let me know if you like those breaking news video. All right, so we'll see you in the next one. Keep your eyes open, okay? If you see that 150 watt inverter, the battery power source, anywhere that's getting released right now in Canada, just shoot me a comment, okay? I want to be one of the first one to get it done here. I'm on the Home Depot website like every week so far. I've been looking for weeks. Been contacting Ryobi Canada. They don't have samples to send me right now. So yeah, keep your eyes open. As soon as it's released, shoot me a text, okay? All right, see ya.